Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a quiz to your Instagram reel. So first we're going to start off by clicking on this icon here. Now we're going to select the video of our choice. Could be a photo, doesn't have to be a video. We're going to go with a video, for example this one. Now we're going to click on next. And now we're going to select the sticker icon in the top. We're going to tap on quiz. So you could make a quiz, for example, how long was my hike? And now you can add here option 1, for example, 30 minutes, and option 2, for example, 1 hour. And you can add another option 3, 45 minutes. So as you can see, the correct one is 1 hour. Now we're going to click on done, center it wherever you like. Then we're going to click on next and share. And that is how it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye.